Sour. It's choreographed by Isla Stephen. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 10. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, and then we're going to go through and dance 11 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Sour. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a right diagonal step touch. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. You're now going to step your left foot forward into the left diagonal, and you're going to hitch your right knee up. We're now going to walk back right, left, right, and then you're going to step your left next to your right and clap your hands. When you step your left next to your right, you're going to take weight onto that left foot so that you can use your right foot for the next section. So let's try that with some counts. Doing your diagonal step touch, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to point our right toe to the right side, touch your right next to your left, point your right toe to the right side, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to step to the right, and as we step to the right, we're going to bump our hip right, left, right, left. Let's try that with some counts. We just step together with our clap. You're going to do your point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do cross points. So you're going to step your right foot forward and slightly over your left. Point your left toe to the left side. Step your left foot forward and slightly over your right, and point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a right rocking chair. Rocking forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left. Rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our hip bumps, doing your cross point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do turning heel bounces. So we're going to step forward with our right foot. We're now going to bounce our heels 3 times, making a half turn over your left shoulder. So you want to think you're bouncing your heels, it's slightly less than a quarter. And then we're going to bump our heels again, slightly less than a quarter. And then you're going to bump your heels one more time to square yourself up to the 6 o'clock wall. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. We're going to do 3 heel bounces that are going to make a quarter turn. So we're going to bounce both heels up, making about an eighth. Bounce both heels up, slightly less than an eighth, and then bounce both heels up, putting your weight onto your left foot to square up to the 3 o'clock wall. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're doing our step and bounce. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your diagonal touch. Diagonal touch, diagonal hitch, walk back, back, back together, clap. Point, touch, hips right, left, cross, point, rocking chair, step, bounce, bounce, half turn, step, bounce, bounce, quarter turn. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your diagonal touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you'll continue on from there. Now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 10. So you'll be doing a 3 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance the full 32 counts to the 6 o'clock wall and add on a rocking chair. So all your tag is, I'm going to do it facing the front, even though it happens to the back, so that you can see what it looks like. Weight is on your left. You're going to do that rocking chair that we already do in the dance. Rock forward with your right, recover back on your left, rock back with your right, recover forward on your left, and then you would start the dance over again. So let's dance the full 32 counts facing 3 o'clock and do that tag on the back wall. Weight is on your left, doing your diagonal touch. So it's diagonal touch, diagonal hitch, back, back, back together, clap. Point, touch, hips right, left, cross point, rocking chair. Now your step and bounce half turn, step and bounce quarter turn, or rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, start over, diagonal touch, diagonal hitch. It's the one time that it happens in the dance. Other than that one tag, you don't have anything else to worry about, and you can hear it in the music. Now the dance ends naturally facing 12 o'clock on your final heel bounces. I just kind of like to step to the side so that I'm kind of in a more comfortable position, but you're ending facing 12 o'clock anyways. So now let's go around. We're going to do 11 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 11 walls so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall. Weight is on your left, starting with your diagonal touch. Diagonal touch, diagonal hitch, walk back, back, back together, clap. Point, touch, hips right, left, cross point, rocking chair. Now you're turning bounces. Step, bounce, bounce, half turn, step, bounce, bounce, quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diagonal touch, diagonal hitch, walk back, back, back together, clap. Point, touch, hips right, left, cross point, rocking chair. Now you're turning bounces. Step, bounce, bounce, half turn, step, bounce, bounce, quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diagonal touch, diagonal hitch, walk back with a clap, point, touch, hips, cross point, and rocking chair. Now you're turning bounces. Step, bounce, bounce, half turn, step, bounce, bounce, quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, hitch, walk back, back, back together, clap. Point, touch, hips right, left, cross point, rocking chair. Now your step and bounce, diagonal touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diagonal touch, diagonal hitch, walk back. Point, touch, in your hips. Cross point and rocking chair. Step and bounce. Step, bounce, bounce, half turn. Step, bounce, bounce, quarter turn. 32 counts, then add your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start over. Diagonal touch, diagonal hitch. Walk back with a step together. Point, touch, hips. Cross point, rocking chair. Now you're turning bounces. Step, bounce, bounce, half turn. Step, bounce, bounce, quarter turn. And then you'll dance through till the end of the song. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn sour. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.